Game.
So, good day everyone. I'm Shanoan Ilabarias with my group member Bragais Charles and Tapia Dardarel. So, business and manufacturing technology refers to the wide range of tools, systems, machines, and processes that help organizations operate more effectively. It involves using modern innovations to improve how products are made, how services are delivered, and how information is managed. These technologies are the foundation of today's industries, enabling faster production, better quality, and smarter decision making. So, product technology. Product technology is the study, design, and development of tools, machines, and systems used to create or enhance products. It focuses on how to make a product more useful, durable, attractive, and efficient for consumers. This category of technology helps businesses innovate, turning creative ideas into actual products that meet customer needs. It involves using new materials, modern design, software, and advanced equipment to produce high quality items. Product technology helps companies compete by offering better and more improved products in the market. It ensures that each product is designed with precision, tested for quality, and made to satisfy customers. Example, using 3D printing to create prototypes of new phones like Technova Electronics uses 3D printers to design and test phone models before mass production and saving both time and money. Next, process technology. Process technology refers to the use of equipment, systems, and methods that improve how raw materials are converted into finished goods. It deals with how products are produced, ensuring that every step in the manufacturing process is efficient, safe, and consistent. Process technology focuses on simplifying operations through automations, automation, monitoring systems, and modern machinery. This technology ensures that production runs smoothly and continuously, reducing waste and human error. It helps manufacturers produce large quantities of products without sacrificing quality or speed. Example, automated assembly lines used in car factories, like AutoSmart Motors, installs robotic arms to assemble vehicle faster and more accurately, cutting labor costs and maintaining consistent quality. Next presenter.
Information technology is the use of computers, software, and digital systems to process, store, and share data within an organization. It connects people, departments, and it 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 makes sales, analyze business performance, digital world. Example, ERD or Enterprise Resource Planning, systems for managing company operation. And online store uses an ERP system to track inventory, process sales, and generate automatic financial report. Next slide. Materials technology is the branch of science that studies and develops new materials to make products stronger, lighter, and more cost efficient, and environmentally friendly. It focuses on understanding the properties of materials such as metal, plastic, glass, and ceramics, and how they can be combined or improved to create better quality goods. This technology is essential in industries like construction, automotive, and packaging. By discovering new materials or improving existing ones, companies can create products that last longer and are more sustainable. It also supports eco-friendly manufacturing by reducing waste and pollution. Example, biodegradable plastic used for eco-friendly packaging. EcoPack Corp switches from traditional plastics to biodegradable materials made from cornstarch to help reduce environmental pollution. Next slide. Manufacturing technology refers to the use of advanced machines, tools, and systems to produce goods efficiently and accurately. It combines mechanical engineering, automation, and digital control to achieve mass production with high quality. This technology enables companies to produce large quantities of goods with minimal human labor while maintaining consistent standards. Manufacturing technology allows for precision and speed in making products. It reduces production cost, saves time, and ensures that every product meets company standards. Many factories now rely on computer-controlled machines that perform tasks faster than human labor. Example, CNC or computer numerical control. Machine used for cutting and shaping materials. Steel Tech Manufacturing uses CNC machine to make metal parts quickly and with perfect measurements. Next presenter, please.
Communication technology. Communication technology includes all electronic systems and tools used to send, receive, and manage information. It connects people across distances using computer, smartphones, the internet, and other communication platforms. This technology allows businesses to coordinate work, share data instantly, and make faster decisions. So it enhances teamwork by ensuring that messages and information are delivered accurately and on time. Communication technology also allows global communication between companies, clients, and suppliers, saving time and reducing travel expenses. For example, video conference tools such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Let's say global food industry holds an online meeting with partners from different countries to discuss marketing and delivery plan without needing to travel. Next slide. Energy technology. Energy technology refers to innovation and system designed to generate, store, and use energy more efficiently. It involves renewable energy sources like solar, winds, and hydropower, as well as technology that help conserve electricity and reduce waste. Businesses use energy technology to power machines, building, and factories in sustainable way that lower operational costs and protects the environment. So, energy technology help industry become more eco-friendly and less dependent on new non-renewable resources. It also ensured that machines and facility run smoothly while minimizing electricity usage. For example, solar energy system and energy efficient lighting in workplaces. Let's say green power manufacturing installs solar panels to supply electricity for its factory, reducing bills and supporting sustainable production. Next slide. Conclusion. Technology is the foundation of businesses, success, and manufacturing development. It's enabled companies to innovate, communicate, and produce efficiently. Every category of technology play an important role in ensuring that business operation are fast and safe and effective. Through technology, businesses can adapt to modern world, satisfy customer needs and stay competitive, whether it's creating products, improving material or saving energy. Technology ensures progress and sustainable in every industry. Thank you.
Okay na?